part C, 1/2 ln of y plus ln of the quantity y squared minus 9 minus ln of the quantity y minus 3. We have three terms here. Only the first term has a factor in front of the log. So let's take that 1/2 and return it to the place of the exponent in the argument. So our first step will be to take care of that. ln of y to the 1/2. There's nothing to do with the next two terms yet. Now we're going to use the product and quotient properties to write these three terms into one single logarithm statement. So they're all ln's, so we'll write one single ln. We have two positive terms. So the first term, ln of y to the 1/2, is positive. So that factor belongs in the numerator. So we have y to the 1/2, which we could also write as the square root of y. It really doesn't matter if you leave it in exponential form or radical form. But the second term, it's also positive, so we're doing the product rule here, and we're staying in the numerator. So I'm going to put a little dot here so you know I'm multiplying. And then that argument becomes a factor in the numerator. And then we have subtraction, so ln of y minus 3, the argument y minus 3 becomes the factor in the denominator because ln of y minus 3 was subtracted. So now we have one single logarithm statement, ln of square root of y times the quantity y squared minus 9 divided by y minus 3. Let's see if we can simplify this. And I believe we can. So there's nothing really to do with the square root of y. But we have a difference of squares here, so we can write that as y plus 3 times y minus 3. The denominator was simply y minus 3, so we have a quotient of 1 right here. So our final answer will be ln of the square root of y times y plus 3. That is accomplishing the instruction, write an expression as a single logarithm with a coefficient of 1 and simplify if possible.